guys, I'm vlogging in my bed because I'm still not up, and it is 10:31 on Monday. Wow, I'm such inspo for life. But basically I'm gonna do 2 videos today because I haven't uploaded, and yeah, let's just start this day. Oh my god, I haven't vlogged in so long, and god, look at me after getting, my skin is just being a mess. But look at my view. I feel like I bring this up every few weeks. Ah, how relaxing. It's just fields and clouds, and if I sit up, oh, fab. So that's what I'm working with today. So yeah, so today's video is going to be reorganizing my life and reorganizing my room, because I haven't really like sat down with you guys to like give you an update on like everything that's been happening the last while. Literally I'm just out of bed, so the bag's under my eyes. Let's just pretend they're not there. Yeah, so basically I've had a new job for over a month now, and I just haven't had really time to like sit down, talk to you guys, or even just organize my life. And before I got this new job, I had so many like YouTube series planned. Like I wanted to properly get into my like cleaning up series of my room. I wanted to go through and declutter my wardrobe, which are all things that I still want to do, but I just haven't had time because I work 3 days a week in Maynooth, and then I work 2 days a week in Kildare at the weekends. So I'm just very busy. So when I have like Mondays and Fridays off, they're literally days to like catch up. And then as well, I'm also still in college, so Mondays I still have college, and then Friday's technically my only day off. And then last week I went into college as well. So okay, so I'm now going into town with my mom, because this is one of those times where I'm like, I should do something while I'm not in work. So let's go.
Union account, and then that turns up after they die, and then there's a big levy on the estate.
Obviously it comes as quite a shock to this listener here, and I'm wondering.
I just put on this hat. I don't really know why, but we're doing it. It's a look. Yeah, I'm in Athy with mom. She's going to the bank. I'm gonna go to charity shop, and I have an idea in my head of like what I want to get, but like, you know, it's a charity shop. Charity shops don't really work like that. Years ago we used to shop in charity shops, but I would refuse to go to charity shops in Athy. We'd always go to ones in like Portlaoise, Newbridge, Carlow, like anywhere that wasn't here. Well, like I would just refuse because I was like embarrassed. Full circle. So here's mom. Hey mom.
Hi Rach.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hey vlog.
So we went to Gerta. It was disappointing. There was nothing there. Okay, so we haven't given up hope yet.
No, I haven't given up.
So yeah,
I'm just tagging along.
mommy's just tagging along. I feel so weird vlogging in a tie. But anyway, we're gonna go into St. Vincent's. Mommy's gonna buy me this.
What? I'm making out like I was not.
So that one was also disappointing. So we're gonna try to shop for the blind people. Okay, so we're finished our tour of Athy charity shops.
Nothing.
Yeah, there was nothing there. Again, I don't really know what I was looking for, but I was just like looking for something to like hit me inspiration wise. This vlog is so exciting. I know you're all living for it.
Yeah, but that's life sometimes.
Do you ever have those moments where you're like, oh, why am I like this? That's now. I'm gonna go get new contacts. Well, not new contacts, I just needed to stock up because I've only about 10 pairs left. And then I'm going to college. I have an exam tonight on web design. That's the only exam I've had with this course. So that's the only exam I've had with this course, so hopefully that goes well. I'm not really sure like how they're gonna like structure it. It's just gonna be questions like, what does this do? What does this do? Don't know. And yeah, I have other project work. So we have an animation project due in 2 weeks time, so I need to do bits on that as well. And yeah, how's your Monday?
Permanently driving you around, Rich.
Yeah, it's true. This is the scenery. Oh look, flowers. Oh yeah, so one's back there is to get contact lenses. Oh grand, just take it. Okay, I'm just gonna put my hand
That's comparison.
for comparison. Sure, I do a few chants, so that is actually quite a good comparison. Hello, it's 11:25. I look so bad. Yeah, it's August. So I'm going to a conference thing for work tomorrow in Kilkenny. So I'm just trying to prep my outfit for that. I wasn't really sure because like I was like, do I have to go businessy? But then like I realised I don't have many businessy things, and I know like my job is businessy-esque, but it's not superly like that. So I'm just gonna wear a little pinafore dress with a white jumper and then a coat and Chelsea boots. So like I'm not going casual, but I'm not going super like business-esque, you know? I'm just like placing you on makeup brushes. College was fine. We had a class test. It was on CSS and HTML and all that fun stuff. So like it actually went fine. We then were doing other bits with our film that's due in like a week. So we just had like a group meeting and stuff and we were doing that. I'm wrecked and I have 3 days of work ahead of me, which like obviously is fine. Because obviously like today was my day off, but I'm so close to this course being finished that I can't really complain. I don't think. Oh wow, my hair's actually so straight when I brush it. This is not a look, to be honest. I'm sorry if I seem really down. Just haven't been feeling great, and I do have my period and my wisdom teeth are coming up, but yeah, just not in the best of humours. Hi guys, this is like the first time I think I've actually used my webcam, like ever, but I just came on here to say that like I never finished the vlog. I just brushed my hair, said I was tired, and that was it. But yeah, I just thought I'd come on here and officially end the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun recording it. I'm just going to give you a sneak peek of my outfit in the next clip. But yeah, stay tuned for that week-long vlog that will be after this one. And thank you so much for watching. Please just like follow me on Instagram or Twitter or whatever, so I'll be motivated to make more videos. And yeah, thanks so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.